right, pop, 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 pop. Pause. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. If I told y'all this is the first cast today. First cast today on the Senko worm. This is my first cast. I'm gonna show y'all the bait. This is the first cast of the day. Let me show you the bait. Show you all up. Give me a second here, you two. All right, so I got the Senko. Oh man, he destroyed it already. First cast, first bass. All right, one cast, one bass. Listen, YouTube, I told y'all I want to use worm. I want to use worm, and I got a Senko, but man, it bent it and broke it already. Ah! All right, but let's go, baby. One cast bass. Let's go get them. All right, redemption time. My last video didn't post, so you don't know what I'm redeeming for. We had a rough day yesterday, but I wanted to get started today with the worm. Let's go, baby. All right, let's see how many we catch. Second cast. Second cast, y'all. Fish. Ah. Oh, man. Two casts, two fish. Two casts, two fish. Senko. But my worm is gone already. Two casts, two fish. Hey, but look. All right. So that's the second cast of the day. Second fish of the day on the Senko worm from Yamamoto. Yamamoto Senko worm. All right, two casts, two fish. Let's go. I'm taking a little break. Hold on. Ah. Woo. Taking a break, you two. I should put my hat on. Not what I need to do. With my Oh, my bad, you two. Ooh. My bad, y'all. All right, so today's Tuesday. I'm on spring break. I decided, man, I've been wanting to use worms, and I've been using the swim bait over and over, but I kind of know worm is the way to go. But I don't really fish with worms, so I'm not really used to them. But I kind of know, like when the guy told me he caught 80 bass, I was like, man, he got to be using worm. So I was like, man, I got to get some worms. So I ordered some worms on Amazon, some Senko. I've heard that name before from watching videos and stuff. So I wanted some of those, and I got them in two casts, two bass. So let's go. I'm gonna put my hat on. I'm not gonna sit it out because it's already 3:18. So this is probably gonna be a wet one. All right. All right, we're back out, folks. Hopefully the rain didn't stop the momentum. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That should be a catch. That should be a catch, y'all. Ah, fish, 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 fish. Woo! 4. All right, there we go. 4. Oh, that's 4, folks. On the Senko. Let's go. Let's keep them going. Ah. Whew. Ooh. All right, 5. All right, 5. Woo. Woo. 5, about a pound and a half, 2 pounder here. That's 5, y'all. Woo. Hopefully water. 5. I probably made 15 casts all day. I probably made 15 casts. I got to get the water off the lens. 15 casts, y'all. Senko worm. Let's go. All right. Move down a little bit. Just got to readjust the position. Woo. Fish, 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 fish. 6. 6. 6. Number 6 right there, folks. 6. Woo. I'm definitely more comfortable with the rod on my left side though, in terms of setting the hook. Fish, 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 fish. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stay on. Stay on, fish. Stay on. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Oh, man, this is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, man, he got my worm. He got my worm, y'all. Got my worm. Let me work the camera off to make sure there's no... Good fish, he got the worm. Oh, man, nice one. So that's probably my 7th fish in probably 30 casts. So maybe not even 30. All right, let's go. Killing it, baby. Let's go. Woo! Let's see the release. Appreciate you, my boy. Hey man, you win some, you lose some. Every fish you're not gonna catch every fish, especially bass. Fish, 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 fish. Yeah. It's number 8. Number 8, my peoples. All right. Hey, y'all like that Yamamoto. Y'all like that Senko. Woo! You like that Senko. Yes, sir. Sometimes I don't even understand what happened. Nothing happened. I'm just reeling in. And the line ends up wrapped around the pole. Like how? What happened? I think I'm at 8, right? I'm not getting any hookups on the other side, bruh. Why is that? Are they following it and then all of a sudden it gets close to this side? Hey. Oh, a fish, fish, fish. Yeah, this bad boy, the worm is as long as you. The worm is as long as you, my boy. Look at it. The worm is as long. Number 9. I think that's 9. I might be miscounting. Maybe I'm a little overzealous. Look like a tarpon. That's a big old bass if it's a bass. Fish. Number 10. Look how small this bad boy is. Look how small that is. Number 10. Look how little that thing is. Small. Listen, I literally have caught. Oh snap! If y'all see the shoes I'm wearing, little Uggs. Let me fix them. Put the backs up, cause I almost slipped off of a rock just now. Show that to you. Wear these little Uggs. They're not fishing shoes, to say the least. So let me go down a little bit. Go down a little. Oh, fish. All right. Don't get. Oh my God, I lost the worm. Oh my goodness. All right, number 11. Number 11. All right, people, that's number 11. I have not moved spots yet. I'm at the first spot that I came to, and I haven't moved yet. All right. You know, yeah, man. But I don't know if I should be saying that Senko is not durable, but it's a hell of a bait. It's a hell of a bait, but it seems to get, I don't know if it's the material that makes it so irresistible to the bass, but I'm going to my 3rd one. Hey, Mr. Florida alligator. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see him. He's right over there. It's a baby. He's turning to the other side. GoPro, zoom in. It didn't work. Okay, GoPro don't zoom in like that. All right. But yeah, man, yesterday I came down. Ooh. Hey, boy, hooking himself. Yesterday I came down, got really frustrated. Boy, that heat beat me up. But I was also using a swim bait. I'd fallen in love with it. You know, I grew up never ever fishing for bass really, and since I started YouTube, you know, I've kind of gained more of an interest in it, and I love it. I enjoy this more than saltwater fishing and everything. I just enjoy it. But I just knew I needed to get to the worm, but I'm OCD at the same time, so I got it kind of comfortable with the idea of using the swim bait. But I knew worm. Listen, I think I put a dent in the truck. If you're gonna bass fish, get comfortable using artificial worms. You can catch bass with them. You can catch them other ways, but you can definitely catch them using artificial worms. All right, give me a minute. I'll be back. Yeah. Fish. 12. 12. Come on, man. Let the guy go. 12, y'all. No. I had a hit, but Fish. Come on, fish, be there. Be there. All right. 13. 13. 13. Uh, 13. I haven't been here for an hour. I have not been here for an hour. I have not been here for an hour. It's getting cool now, unless I'm just cold. But it was hot yesterday. Now like a cold front coming in. We had the rain. God knows we need the rain because Everglades been really dry. So we need the rain. But then it's cooling off. Fish get less active when it gets cold. So I don't need it to get cold. Oh, I missed him. Woo. Listen, I don't know, but I feel like this cold weather is cool off. I mean, the temperature's probably gone down 7, 8 degrees. All right, 7 or 8 degrees. The temperature have gone down, and I can feel it. And it's not because I got wet. All right, so I don't know. The bites slowed down. Look how far. You know, so we'll see. Listen, I've had a day already. Heck of a day using the Senko from Yamamoto, the worm. Just swimming it on the bottom, and just when I feel the resistance, man, setting the hook. So we've had quite a day doing that already. 13 bass in a little bit over an hour. So yeah, we're gonna move down a little bit and try to give it a go. All right, see y'all in a minute. Let's see if we could get this cold weather to cooperate with us. Let's see if we can get this cold weather to cooperate. You got fish? Oh my God, I lost my bait. That's too funny. So I lost another. It was ready. All right, here we go, YouTube. Number 14. Hey, it's still cold, but we're gonna see if we catch a couple more. All right, 4:33. You know, it's like in basketball, we want to leave the gym on a make. You want to leave the gym on a make. I want to leave the gym on the spot on the catch. Come on, oh, come on. Yeah, come on, baby. Want to leave the spot on the catch. Let's go, baby. Number 14. One more cast. Let's do it. All right, YouTube, we're in a new spot. All right, let's see if we could have the same results. New spot, let's see if we could have the same results. All right, there we go. There you go, right here. Get off my finger. All right, Senko, a Yamamoto. We got 14 or 15 in the last spot. How many do you think we could get out of this spot? Hopefully a couple. Hopefully a couple. Let's go on the sideline to start off. Hopefully a couple. Hopefully a couple. First cast. Y'all know how I feel about the first cast. First cast usually that money cast. That's usually that money cast. No, that was a nibbler. That was like a Mayan or something. All right, go across. You know, I don't expect to catch a 13 in an hour, so I'm willing to do the work. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not sitting here, oh, I gotta catch that. Yesterday, I slugged it out. I think I caught 3. Oh, fish. He don't jump on me. Oh, keep it. Ah, yeah. Good hook set. Was that the second cast? Woo! Let's get him. 14 or 15, whatever you are. Appreciate you. Peace. All right, I gotta clear this bird nest. Let me clear the bird nest, y'all. It did not clear it. It did not clear it at all. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Right there. That should be good. That should be good. Maybe a fish on? Fish on? I told you. I told you. That's one of the things I say when you sit on the boat, it completely engulfed it. Look at it. I'm gonna show it to you. Look at it. It completely engulfed it. I let it sit there too long. Oh man, okay, let me help you out, buddy. Ah, there you go. Come on. All right. Dog performance surgery. Fish on. Good fish. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Oh man. Oh, come on. Good fish. Oh yeah. Good bass. Woo. Yeah. Nice one. That's what I'm talking about. Nice one. He spat the, ah baby, nice one. Look at that there. Nice one. Nice one, you too. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's a nice one. I think that's number 16. Y'all can see. All right, nice one. Let it go. Yes, sir. Oh, fish. Oh, he spat it. Last second, I had a fish on, and I didn't set the hook on him. I didn't feel him, because it was right here at the end. Like I said, at the end. Oh well, can't catch them all. Fish. Oh yeah. All right, nice bass. Another nice one, back to back. Back to back nice ones. Hey, another nice one. Slay day. Yeah, man. Appreciate them. Yes, sir. Real quick, so on that particular bass, you notice I said, when it gets to the end, I've been catching them mostly in the middle. So what I did was, I said that at the end, the worm is off the bottom. So what I did was I went, pop, 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 like pop, 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 pop. You know, it was hooked in the middle. So it said, whoop, 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 whoop. And I paused. I waited about a second, and I felt a tug, all right? So that action on the worm stimulated that bite. I promise you, all right? Pop, 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 pause, fish on. Y'all wanna say it with me? Ready? Pop, 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 pause, fish on. I'll see y'all in a minute, man. All right. Last cast, and we're moving on to another spot. You know the rule, unless we what? We get a hit or we catch one. Ah, fish. Good hook set. Good. That was a good hook set. Yeah, I jerked that one in you, boy. I jerked that bad boy in you. Good hook set. Ah, yeah. Whoo. I can't leave yet. So let's go back across. Oh my God, I hit it on that damn, I just got this pole today. I legit just got this pole today. I broke the friggin' pole. Look at this, man. I broke my friggin' pole. Bro, I broke the pole. I know I'm gonna have to edit out the cursing, but man, I just got this pole today. And I paid over $100 for it too. Oh my God, man. Oh my God, bro. What am I supposed to do, bro? What am I supposed to do, bro? What am I supposed to do in this situation, bro? So, I have another bait caster here. I do. And I'm gonna switch out, but like I was saying earlier, it's on the left side. The other one is on the right side. It's on the right side. This is the right side. This is the left side, right? So I'm like bugging, like I don't know what my comfort level is gonna be. I'm so pissed. But if you look at the dolphin pole is on the left side. Bruh. This is brutal. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to buy another pole. Or or go saltwater fishing. I got plenty of poles for that. I got plenty of poles for saltwater fishing. I'm falling in love with this bass fishing. All right. So I'm using the Abu Garcia's 7-foot medium heavy. So I bought a medium heavy just to match up with what I had, but now I got the reel on the other side, so that's gonna be a different feel for the bait caster. So let's see if that makes a difference. It feels different. And even holding the rod in my right hand feels different. But you know what? I'm an athlete. That's how I look at it. I'm an athlete. And even working it feels different. You know what I'm saying? But I get used to it because I fish with my left hand anyway. My other poles are like this. You know, all the spinning reels are like this. The reel is on the left side. Man, but that's so disappointing. I just got that today. I probably better cast this one with more accuracy, actually. I want to feel what the first fish feel like and setting the hook. Oh, you see? Oh my God, yeah, that feel aki. That feel aki. That felt aki as hell. Oh my God, that felt aki. I should have lost this fish. I should have lost this fish. Look at the little guy. That felt aki as hell. That felt so aki, and this drag is not set properly. Let me tighten the drag up. That's too loose. That's a little bit better. Go down. Go down. Yeah, I can't even get a hook set on that side. As aki as that feel, I did it. As aki as it feel, I did it. And it felt aki, trust me folks. That thing feels aki. But for anyone that don't know what aki is, just awkward. That's all aki means, awkward. You know, I can't consistently reel. Oh man, this is not good. Just lost my worm again. I'm so aggravated. I think I'm gonna just take this reel off and rig it with the other one. Fish. All right, beautiful. You know, it's funny, just now, I told myself, I'm gonna do what I did in the beginning, which is just work it to the other. Ow. Yeah, I told myself I'm gonna work it to the other side, catch it to the other side, and then just work it back to the middle. I've been doing a bunch of weird casting sideways just before that, and just now I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go back to what I was doing in the beginning. I'm back to, you know, my regular reel, just the Abu Garcia rod. So I'm a little bit more comfortable, even with that hook set and getting it in. I'm back to my normal. I'm back to my normal comfort level. Fish. Ah, yeah, good fight. Come on, my boy. Yeah. He engorged himself with this. Yeah. Nice one. Put that right where he splashed. Ooh. Trying to help you out, my boy. Trying to help you out. All right, he helped himself a little bit. Nice one. I'm still here. Nice one. Fish. All right. Hold up, but hey, all that aggravation, well worth it. Well worth it. Well worth it. Fish, 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 fish. All right, nice one. All right, I wanted that 3. Fish, 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 y'all. It doesn't feel like a bass though. It's bumping different. Oh no, no. Oh my God, it's a bowfin. Damn. Oh. Man, come here. Come here. We're gonna spin and do all that craziness. I can't lift this though. Did he lose mine? Oh man. Man, he lost my this one is not that big. Probably still gonna break my line, but he lost. Okay, whatever. Man, come on, man. There we go. Nice bowfin. Mudfish. So when I tell you every bite is not a bass. Every bite is not a bass. Sometimes it's a gar, mudfish, Mayan cichlid, Oscar. I mean, I don't know. But I'm about to run out of bait. I'm about to run out of bait. So that's pretty cool. I think I have 2 more Senkos. I'm gonna buy a bunch of them. So yeah, we'll see. All right, let's finish them off. Fish, fish, fish. Oh my God. This thing, oh my God, look at it. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Oh God. There we go. This worm is almost the same size as this bass. Go grow big, my boy. My slow self. I came down, got to the spot, saw a bass, and was like, I'm gonna throw it in the middle. As soon as the thing hit the water, bam, the thing took it. I'm talking about as soon as it hit the water. Best, I think it might be the best fish of the day. Let's show you a good side. Let's show you a good side right there. Nice bass, 2 pounder, 2.5 pounder. All right, see you on the other side, my boy. Nope. Oh yeah, still there. Still there. Oh, it's still there. Yeah. Oh man. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw the fight with the thing. And buddy went and took the bait. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw it. I was fixing the bird nest and he took it. All right? Which is like the third time it's happened in different times. Yeah. Almost 7, 6:59. I'm almost done. I'm on vacation, folks. Oh, success. Fish. See what I'm saying? So why try to do something different though? Why do something different? Why do something different, man? If it ain't broke, don't fix it, bro. Oh yeah, fish. Oh, good fish. Oh, good fish, y'all. Whew. Right there, folks. Last fish of the day. What an incredible day. You know what I mean? What an incredible day. Thanks to the Senko from Yamamoto worm. Senko, S-E-N-K-O from Yamamoto. Go get you some. Hey, slate it. All right, man, I don't know about y'all, man, but I love this bass fishing. All right, man, if you appreciate those watching the videos, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm on spring break. I got a video every day if I can. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Mwah. Appreciate him. Her. Appreciate you. Better? Yay. Later. I lost my bait, by the way. So I have one worm left. I'm gonna buy some though. They go to sunset. Come on, pole. Hey, let's give the pole a high five. Give the pole a high five today. Pole, high five. Or low five, whatever that is. But a 5. For doing the job, baby. Yes, sir. Gotta walk. What beautiful setting. What a beautiful scenery. If you love nature, you love the outdoors, man. Woo! Get outside, baby. Yes, indeed. If you want to come fishing with me, pay me $1,000 and I'll take you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I really am kidding. I wouldn't charge anybody for something like that. I'm kidding. Yeah. Man, I had to entertain myself on the way to the truck. I should use that last Yamamoto. I'm doing some saltwater fishing tomorrow. I don't care. Cause I'm gonna need 2 days for the bait to come. All right, see y'all in the next one. I think. Yeah. Get out of the house, do something. All right. Yo, shout out to Miami Country Day girls basketball. Yes, sir.